Umar bin Khattab was a close companion and friend of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He was one of the early converts to Islam, and his conversion had a significant impact on the growth of the religion. Umar was born in Mecca in 584 CE, and prior to his conversion, he was a fierce opponent of Islam. However, in 616 CE, after hearing verses from the Quran, Umar was moved to embrace Islam. His conversion brought a lot of strength to the Muslim community, and he became one of the most prominent figures in the early history of Islam. Umar was known for his strong character, and he was respected for his knowledge and wisdom. He was also known for his honesty and his sense of justice. During his time as the second caliph of Islam, Umar introduced many reforms that benefited the Muslim community, including the establishment of a comprehensive system of public finance and a number of social welfare programs. Umar's leadership helped to expand the Islamic empire, and he played a key role in spreading the message of Islam throughout Arabia and beyond. He was assassinated in 644 CE, but his legacy continued to have a significant impact on the development of Islamic thought and society. My name is Noura. Please subscribe my channel.